Hello guys, Shirley the kitchen. Today cooking for New Year Nigerian fried rice. Shirley the kitchen. Masak dari hati pasti menjadi. Happy New Year. Red chili and onion, mixed vegetable, and now I'm boiling the cow liver, sausage and fresh shrimp. We're gonna cook for Nigerian fried rice. Yay! Shirley the kitchen. Here guys, I'm going to cook the rice first, and I'm gonna use the chicken stock to boil the rice. Look guys, my rice is almost ready here. Some butter. Stir fry the onion and the red chili. So I'm gonna stir fry the sausage and the fresh shrimp there. Add some salt. And also I'm gonna add some acute seasoning. Curry powder and also the dry things, so my fried rice really smells so good. Here I'm gonna add the cow liver that I boiled earlier. So I'm gonna mix, stir fry together. And here I'm gonna add the mixed vegetable. It looks so beautiful here guys. So I'm gonna stir them. Is ready now. Look at my rice, is so beautiful and the smell is so nice. Wow! My New Year fried rice, Nigerian fried rice. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Shalita Kitchen. See you for the next video.